What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. All right, guys, we got a Cadillac CTS-V coming in, 2012. Let you guys hear what it sounds like before. Got custom wheels on it. He's had it since new, guys, since 2012. And it shows. Look at that shine. Garage kept. Really beautiful car. I'm gonna let you guys hear it, what it sounds like before. This is what it sounds like before. Here's sound decibel. Right at 94. Again. It's right at 90, we'll say 95 decibels. Cadillac CTS-V. All right, guys, so we showed you what it sounds like before and looks before on the exhaust. It's a 2012 Cadillac CTS-V. Only 60,000 miles on it, guys. That's crazy for an 11-year-old car. Look how mint it is. Beautiful, really awesome car. So what it looks like under there. Factory converter. Factory converter, secondary converters there, then it's true dual into an X pipe right there. Then what we did is deleted the muffler. I'll show you guys the muffler. It's usually from here all the way to here. So we deleted the muffler and put two CARVEN TRs and reused his tips. He wanted to keep the stock factory look, but he wanted a little bit more sound. So here's the part number on the CARVENs right there. There'll be a link in the description for them, guys. And that's how you get them put on. Came out absolutely beautiful. CARVEN TRs right there. And there our guys outdid themselves as usual. We appreciate what they do for us. And there's that giant muffler, as you guys can see. There's a regular Kona end muffler compared to the Cadillac muffler. Huge. Just massive, as you guys can see right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in good old Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. CTS-V Cadillac. Look at that thing. Two-door coupe. Sexy car. They were such a big deal when they first came out. They still are, man. They're really nice cars. I like the styling on them. What we got done on this beast? Converter, secondary converters there. Then X-pipe there, all true dual. As you guys can see, 2.5, and then we added 2.5 pipe there and there where we did a muffler delete on it, right there, and then reuse his factory tips out the back on a Cadillac CTS-V. Came out really nice, really clean. And there's the big muffler that usually comes on these. This thing is massive, as you guys can see. It's about 4 to 5 feet long. And it comes in through there, and that's where usually the tips are out in the back, right there. And that's what it looks like after. So that's what a Cadillac CTS-V muffler looks like. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, hit that subscribe button. Perfect. And it's nothing crazy, just smooth. The nice thing about the CARVENs, they got openings inside of them. It captures all the sound frequencies. Yeah. Just gives it that deep tone. Yeah. Again. All right. All right. Here's sound decibels. Again. That's perfect. Cadillac CTS-V. This thing is, guys. I'm surprised. Wow. Look at this sucker. Woo. Sounds all the way good all the way around. perfect tone. It's not crazy loud, nothing, just clean. Oh yeah. That is the perfect muffler for that car. Yes. Give us one more drive off. Double header for you guys. We did this earlier in the week. GT 4.6 liter 6. We'll give you a double header. Why not? Oh yeah. There he goes. Enjoy, guys. Beast mode.